Welcome back to Mindful Minutes. I'm Miss Annette, and for today's mindful exercise, I'm going to do Squeeze and Release from Barefoot Books Mindful Kids 50 Mindfulness Activities for Kindness, Focus, and Calm by Whitney Stewart and Mina Braun. First, you will need a quiet place to lie down. You can use a mat, blanket, or bed. I'll give you a moment to get settled. Okay, let's begin. Close your eyes and begin breathing softly, slowly, and mindfully. Notice your feet. Wiggle your toes. Imagine they have a golden glow. Squeeze the muscles in your feet tight. Hold and release. Move your attention up your legs. Now they are glowing gold. Squeeze your leg muscles tight. Hold and release. Now imagine the golden glow moving up your body from part to part. Slowly squeeze and release each golden part one at a time. Squeeze and release your tummy. Squeeze and release your arms. Squeeze and release your shoulders. Squeeze and release your neck. Squeeze and release your face. When you finish, take 3 soft, slow, mindful breaths. And feel your body sink into the mat, blanket, or bed beneath you. If it's time to sleep, let yourself drift off. Namaste.